Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce pasta very tasty. First, let's build a strong flavor foundation. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Gradually pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking continuously until the sauce thickens. Finish by stirring in 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a pinch of white pepper. Now, let's elevate that basic white sauce to something truly special. Once your sauce is thickened, stir in 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it melts completely, adding a wonderful savory depth. For an extra luxurious texture and a hint of tang, whisk in 1/4 cup of cream cheese. Before combining, gently sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant, then add it to your sauce. The right pasta pairing is crucial for a truly tasty dish. Cook 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, like fettuccine or penne, until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. Immediately transfer the hot, cooked pasta directly into your prepared white sauce. Toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems too thick, use a little of the reserved pasta water to achieve your desired consistency. For the ultimate finish, a few simple touches make all the difference. Garnish your delicious white sauce pasta with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or basil. This adds a lovely pop of color and a fresh herbaceous aroma. Serve your pasta immediately, perhaps with a little extra grated Parmesan cheese on top for those who love it. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your incredibly tasty, homemade white sauce pasta.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.